Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well and I am also good. My name is Nikita and this is my day 24 videos of 75 days heart challenge of spoken English. And welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I am telling to all of you I have completed my 75 minutes daily task. Reading, writing, speaking and listening. Okay? After that, I am going to share with all of you some sentence related to cold, ठंड. Without any delay, let's begin. आज हल्की हल्की ठंड है. It's chilly today. आज जमा देने वाली ठंड है. It's freezy today. आज ठंड है. It's cold today. आज बहुत ठंड है. It's very cold today. आज कड़ाके की ठंड है. It's arctic today. आज की ठंड बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रही है. The cold is today unbearable. आज और दिनों से ज़्यादा ठंड है. Today is colder than usual. So guys, this is some sentence related to cold, and this sentence you practice when you practice speaking English, when you practice spoken these sentences. Okay, I hope this sentence will be helpful for all of you. So guys, that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you guys. We meet next new video. Okay.